Radhaji?
Friends, this is the 6th day of our campaign. So we began on 21st of September and this is going to go till the 2nd of October. So what you see behind is hundreds of people, especially from the Kui indigenous people community. You know, Kui is a particular group of people in Kandhamal area of Orissa, and they are walking today, but there are others as well. Men and women who are walking today are basically from the Kui community. Now this is almost like a tribal group, an indigenous group, whom we call primitive. You know, they were in the forest for thousands of years and still their claim on land is not settled. So on one side you see many foot march, about 106 foot march happening in different parts of the country, and these foot marches are going to address different issues. It can be the issue of Dalit, it can be the issue of women, it can be the issue of any marginalized community according to the community living in particular area. But here in Kandhamal we have more of Kui community and they are walking with us. And their claim is only one. You can see from their dress, they are very simple, they are very close to nature, and they don't want to destroy nature, they don't want to destroy anybody, anything, but what they are saying is give us enough land so that we can make a living out of it, so that we can have enough food, we can have our children into schools. This is not happening because they don't have enough land. In spite of a very powerful act called Forest Rights Act, their claims are not settled. So this demands world opinion, this demands national opinion, but this also demands world opinion that the indigenous people who are living in forest for hundreds of years, their claim should be settled. So today our walk is 8 kilometers. We began from Seva Jagat, an organization working in this area, training young people, promoting empowerment among women, doing a lot of work. So we began from this organization called Seva Jagat, and we will walk 8 kilometers to the next village where we are going to have a public meeting. And on the way there were receptions, 2-3 receptions where we will address small corner meetings, but the main meeting is going to be after 8 kilometers. And these people are very excited, they are singing, they are dancing, they are shouting slogans. You know, this is all to get the world's attention that look, we are here in this jungle, in this forest, please listen to our voice and make the policies in a way that you can take us into account. This is very important in a situation where we are discussing about climate crisis. You know, if they don't have land, they will have to go out, migrate into cities, and that is going to be heavy on cities because cities are overcrowded and the slums are becoming bigger and bigger. That is not good for climate issue. So what is important is that they get a piece of land, they cultivate their food in an organic way, they feed their children, they live close to nature. This is our need. This is not only their need, this is the need of the world today. So I hope this voice will be heard and their voices will find place in the policies and programs of the government, of the United Nations in the coming days. Thank you very much.